you can leverage all the blog posts you have written over the years, and you can train your chatbot by letting it learn about your company from the blog post. So how can you train an AI chatbot leveraging the power of Chat TPT? One would think that is a complicated matter, but I can tell you it's not that complicated. We will walk through the whole process in this video. We will use a tool that I endorse called Chatbase, and I will put my affiliate link in the description of this video if you want to try it. It's pretty easy because what you can do is you can leverage all the blog posts you have written over the years, and you can train your chatbot by letting it learn about your company from the blog post. So all you need to do is you need to enter your website address, and then it goes and crawls your websites and learn everything. Additionally, you can upload your own information, whether that's documents or any other types of resources. Now, we will go ahead and try this from scratch with a website that belongs to a client of mine. And we will do some spot testing because it is actually a field that is very specific to a certain type of insurance. And you will see that there is definitely also a setting that lets the AI be more or less creative when it finds its answers. All right, with that being said, I'm going to share my screen so you can follow along. So here you can see the interface, and I will click new chatbot here, and I will come and enter the website address of the chatbot that I want to train. In this case, that's going to be HTTPS Eagle Care Health. All right, that's all we need, literally all we need. And now I will come here and click fetch links. And you can see that depending on the size of your website, this will take longer or not quite as long. This website, I would say, is of medium size, pretty average for a small to mid-sized business, and you can see it is already done. Now, what is very interesting is we get a nice overview of all the links that were crawled. So all of that is there. Now, I'm going to click create chatbot here, and it's going to take all of the information. And believe it or not, we are already done. Well, it says here, we're still training your chatbot on the provided links. This will take a few minutes, and your chatbot is trained and ready. I mean, how amazing is that? Now, let's try something. For instance, here in the and basically in this software, I can interact with the chatbot before I put it on the website. Now, what I want to know first is I will ask it, what kind of services do you offer? Okay. And then you can see it responds with, at Eagle Care, we offer a range of services to our members. These include care for acute conditions such as strep throat, so on and so forth. Lists everything. So let's see if I ask, what kind of plans do you have? And then it tells me at Eagle Care, we offer customizable health benefit plans that are designed to meet the needs and budgets for individuals and small groups. Our plans provide more value for less money, better options for small groups, flexibility, freedom, quality service, and customizable options. We understand that everyone's healthcare needs are unique, so we strive to offer a range of options to cater to those needs. Whether you're an individual or a small group, we have plans that can be tailored to suit your specific requirements. I will now ask, are you available in Texas? And the answer here is yes, we're available in Texas. All right. Let me ask, are you available in Ohio? And see, it says I am not sure. All right, because it found no reference to Ohio on the website. And that is because here under settings, we told it to be rather here temperature rather reserved, right? So you have this slider here that goes from reserved to creative, and I would say that if you put this to creative and we ask the same question, let's just try. I'm going to come here and then save the changes, and then I'll go back to my chatbot here. And let's see if we get the same answer. Are you available? It still says I'm not sure, which I kind of like because it doesn't know. So, what I can do now, I would have to ask the client whether they are or are not available in Ohio. But once I know the answer, I can come here to the dashboard and I can see how here this it says revise answer, right? So I can click revise answer and then I can enter the question, I'm sorry, the answer that it was supposed to give. And then in future answers, all of that knowledge will be included. All right. So then again, here we see all the sources. We trained it on these web addresses. I can always come back and add another website. I can upload, I can just straight input text in here. I can upload files, PDFs, as you see, is possible. And then I can also just upload Q&As here, like so, question answer, pretty interesting. I think this is very powerful. Now here it can be embedded on your website, or I can share this link here with anyone so that they have access to this interface like this. And then the other part that is interesting to know with this software is that you have a certain amount of messages available with your subscription. In this case, I still have 4,995 messages left. But if we reach that threshold, you can actually use your Chat GPT subscription to extend those messages. So you would come here to API and then you would enter your Chat GPT credentials. So I think is a very powerful feature. And I know that this technology is only going to get better. It's really ready at this point to be released to the public, because the more information you have on your website, the more files you upload to train your artificial intelligence chatbot, the more files you have, the more you give it, the better the responses will be. I personally think this is a game changer in chatbots, and it is a great solution for those of you who cannot man or staff a real time chat at all times, but still want to have better answers available to the website users than those that are pre-programmed. There's also a very cool feature in the settings where you can let the chatbot ask for the customer information. So if I toggle this on, name, email, phone number, it will ask, hey, how can I get in touch with you? And that way I can have the chatbot collect leads on my behalf. So again, the technology is there. All you have to do is train it. I think the time is right. I would definitely give it a try and enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And of course, if you found this video helpful or inspirational, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.